Welcome to the best picks. The best carbon fiber filament is probably one of the most sought-after materials in the 3D printing world, renowned for its incredible strength-to-weight ratio, stiffness, and aesthetic appeal, making it a top choice for hobbyists and professionals alike looking to create durable, lightweight, and visually striking prints that stand out from the crowd. Number 5. OVERTURE PLA Matte 3D Printer Filament. Experience superior stiffness and strength with our advanced filament. It's engineered with premium carbon fiber for enhanced durability and resistance to deformation. Enjoy a seamless printing experience thanks to our meticulous winding process. Each spool is carefully managed to prevent tangles and breaks, ensuring uninterrupted creativity. Achieve precise results with every print. Our advanced diameter measuring system ensures consistent filament thickness for outstanding dimensional accuracy. Say goodbye to printing frustrations. This filament is designed to be clog-free and bubble-free, providing a smooth and reliable printing performance. Elevate your creations with a sophisticated matte finish. The carbon fiber black adds a touch of elegance to your 3D printed projects. What we like. This filament offers superior stiffness and strength thanks to its carbon fiber infusion. If you need prints that are more durable and less prone to deformation under stress, this is the one. It's ideal for functional parts or models that require enhanced rigidity. What people say. The filament is easy to print with and produces strong, rigid parts. It has a smooth surface finish and minimal stringing, resulting in clean prints. The carbon fiber reinforcement adds excellent stiffness and dimensional stability to the printed objects. Number 4. FLASHFORGE PLA Filament 1.75mm Burnt Titanium. Discover our adored chameleon filament series. This unique material changes colors with different light and angles, creating stunning visual effects for your 3D prints. Composed of special pigments, it perfectly conceals layer lines. This allows your creations to have a smooth, professional finish every time. Enjoy the ease of use that PLA is known for. It offers low printing temperatures and strong adhesion, making it perfect for beginners and experts alike. Experience exceptionally smooth surfaces thanks to its low shrinkage rate and minimal warping. It's ideal for intricate and decorative items. Our filament is designed to be clog-free and bubble-free, ensuring a stable printing experience. It's precisely measured for consistent diameter. Explore a variety of captivating colors, including burnt titanium, nebula purple, skydiver blue, rose quartz, and obsidian. What we like. Experience a unique visual appeal with its chameleon-like color shifts that also cleverly hide layer lines. If you're aiming for artistic creations or decorative items where aesthetics are paramount, this filament will make your print stand out. It's perfect for those who love dynamic, eye-catching finishes. What people say. The filament has a smooth surface finish and is easy to print with. It produces strong and rigid parts that are perfect for functional prototypes. The carbon fiber reinforcement adds excellent stiffness and dimensional stability to the prints. Number 3. iSANMATE Colorful Carbon Fiber PLA Filament Bundle. Introducing the iSANMATE Carbon Fiber PLA Filament Bundle. Experience the strength and lightness of advanced carbon fiber, with no odor and anti-static properties. Compared to regular PLA, this filament offers superior toughness, higher strength, and rigidity. Its low shrinkage and high fluidity make it ideal for printing industrial products. Enjoy a clog-free and bubble-free printing experience with excellent layer adhesion. It's designed for smooth, delicate prints with accurate colors and easy support removal. Achieve optimal results with a printing temperature range of 200 to 240 degrees Celsius and a printing speed of 40 to 130 mm. The hot bed temperature should be between 45 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. Each spool is vacuum sealed after being dried for 24 hours to ensure optimal performance. Store it in the resealable bag to maintain its excellent printing quality. With a 1.75 mm diameter and dimensional accuracy of plus 0.03 mm, this filament is compatible with most FDM 3D printers on the market. What we like. This bundle provides the strength and rigidity of carbon fiber in multiple attractive colors. If you're printing industrial-style parts or models that need to be both strong and visually distinct, this is an excellent choice. The blend of performance and aesthetics makes it versatile. What people say. This filament is incredibly strong and lightweight, making it perfect for functional parts that need to withstand stress. The carbon fiber reinforcement provides excellent stiffness and dimensional stability, resulting in precise and accurate prints. It has a smooth extrusion profile and adheres well to the print bed, ensuring consistent results without warping or stringing. Number 2. ANYCUBIC PLA 3D Printer Filament. Experience a smarter printing process. Our filaments feature intelligent chips that automatically identify printing information when used with compatible printers, enhancing your overall experience. Achieve precise prints every time. With a tight dimensional tolerance of plus 0.02 mm, it ensures a smooth outflow and consistent layers for superior bridging and reduced warping. Enjoy a hassle-free printing session. The filament is neatly spooled, preventing tangles and clogs, leading to cleaner prints with minimal stringing and a glossy finish. Designed for uninterrupted printing. It's manufactured to be clog-free and bubble-free, ensuring a stable and smooth extrusion. It's also vacuum sealed to maintain optimal dryness. Versatile and reliable for your needs. This filament is compatible with a wide range of temperatures and printing speeds, making it suitable for most mainstream 3D printers on the market. What we like. Featuring an intelligent chip for seamless printer integration, this filament ensures a hassle-free and efficient printing experience. If you value convenience and optimized performance with compatible printers, this is the smart choice. It's designed for users who want reliable, high-quality results with minimal fuss. What people say. The filament has excellent adhesion to the print bed, resulting in minimal warping. Prints come out with a smooth, glossy finish and good detail. The carbon fiber content provides increased stiffness and strength to the printed parts. Number 1. BBLIFE Silk Acid Blue PLA. Experience a breathtaking silk-like sheen on your 3D prints. This material delivers an eye-popping glossy finish, perfect for showcasing your creative designs. Our high-quality filament is crafted from 100% new raw materials. It's designed to work seamlessly with most FDM 3D printers available on the market. Enjoy a smooth and stable printing process. It's engineered to minimize warping and jamming, ensuring bubble-free, consistent extrusion every time. This filament is meticulously wrapped to prevent tangles. You can rely on its consistent diameter for uninterrupted, high-performance printing. Each spool is sealed in a vacuum bag to maintain dryness and quality. This ensures it's ready to perform its best whenever you need it. We stand by the quality of our product with premium customer service. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime for a prompt response. What we like. Achieve stunning, silky smooth, and shiny prints with this easy-to-use material. If you're looking to create eye-catching models, crafts, or decorative pieces with a luxurious finish, this filament is perfect. Its user-friendliness makes it great for both beginners and experienced users wanting beautiful results. What people say. The filament is easy to print with and produces strong, lightweight parts. It has a smooth surface finish and excellent layer adhesion. The carbon fiber reinforcement adds rigidity and improves dimensional stability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.